Njengo-President wamabhinca, I'm highly impressed, indeed impressed. Ngincoma futhi ngokungenambandela ungqongqoshe ka-National Arts and Culture, Sport and Recreation in South Africa. Zizi kodwa. Long overdue we needed such minister. A minister who understands us, a minister who lives with us, a minister who is equivalent to our age. Look at what he has done within a space of 3 months, occupying the office of ministerial office. Zizi kodwa, such a wonderful job you have done for South Africa. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Nkunzi yakithi, ukhumbula amaciko akithi asalala namaciko asekhona agela izimanga endimeni kaqedisa isizungu. Le ndima kaqedisa isizungu, wonke umuntu mayingena emotweni awufiki udriver la uyakhona ngawudlalela umculo. That's a talent, need to be paid. It services the community. That's a talent that make us known worldwide. Umhlaba wonke esaziwa ngobuciko. If it's not a sport, it must be a talent that make you well known worldwide. Therefore, lokhu ukuthi azohlonipha aphinde aphe imali amaciko athathe iningizimu Afrika ne-Afrika yonkana ayibeka kwi-global map ngokuwina ama-Grammy kusukela kumambaza amnyama oMiriam Makeba kuze kuzovala ngoNomcebo Zikode. That's a job well done. That's a job well done. Ngithi mfowethu uqhubekela phambili. You have started very well. We can see we are on the ground. We are excited about your move. Please move forward, my minister. I'm proud of you. Nakoge. Oh, Nakoge. Finally, we got the right one.